welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mel and I do a little bit of everything. I've never ordered anything from Necromancy Cosmetica before, so I'm really excited. I've seen, you know, their stuff on Instagram and it's gorgeous. But yeah, this is the first. When I saw that they were coming out with this palette, I was like, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm so excited. So literally as soon as I could get my hands on it, I did. Hang on, my mom texted me. So, came in a box, obviously. So I cut the tape that was right here, and I should have angled the camera differently, but there we go. Handcrafted, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. Ooh, it's so cool, look. Pretty. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so small and cute. Oh my gosh, wow. They make it look like a book. You see that? Wow. Gosh, this is just gorgeous. Look at it. Oh, I love this so much. Okay. Wow. Okay. Gonna carefully take it out. It's so cute and small and beautiful and just, I like it. Okay. So I guess that just came off. Whoops. I thought it was like attached so I could just flip it, but it's not. It's magnetized to the palette. So that's cute. Also, whoops. Okay, so a Gothic Romance. Okay, sorry. Open the first page and I'm holding it. Goes that way. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. So, oh my gosh. Wilted Roses, Burial Ground. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Wow, look at it. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I'm just admiring it. It's so beautiful. Can you see? I hope so. Okay, so first swatch, I'm just using my fingers. First swatch is Infatuation. Okay, next is Velvet Thorns. Melancholy. Candlelight. Okay, I have to go grab a makeup wipe. You know what I just realized? I should have done like B-roll footage of the palette first before doing swatches. Wow, I'm so great at this, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do Candlelight again because I don't think my pinky, my poor pinky, grabbed enough of it, so let's... I like Candlelight. It's a nice gold. I don't know if I'd ever use it, but... Alright, next is Wilted Roses, which looks so pretty. Not that the rest don't, but... Next is Penumbra. What does that mean? I have to Google that. Next is Burial Ground. I'm gonna do that one again. I'm also gonna do Penumbra again. Which is why I don't like swatches. I do and I don't. That's what we have so far. And then last one, I don't know if it'll show up on my skin, but is Phantasma. Oh, I'm totally not holding it up. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it doesn't really, you can't see it that well on my skin, but that's okay. Alright, so this is what we have for the swatches. I don't know, you guys. All the colors are just so pretty. Also, I cleaned my brushes yesterday specifically to prepare for this video, so you should be proud of me because I'm the one who like almost never washes their brushes. Okay, so let me put my hair back. Okay, I hope this works out. So the only thing, so the palette, I mean, could be just because it's new, but it doesn't sit flat on the table. It kind of, you know how a book, depending on the binding, it doesn't sit flat on a table. So it kind of, it sits like that on the table, basically. So, okay, so we're just gonna jump right on into it. Let me zoom you guys in, maybe. There we go. Okay, sorry, I had technical difficulties, but okay, so I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna use their little mirror that the palette came with, see how usable it is. I believe when they were advertising it, they designed it to be, I mean, compact obviously, but like to be something that you're able to travel with. So okay, so I'm going in to Burial Ground, tap off excess with the Sigma E25 blending brush, and I mean, there's some, what do you call that? Oh, I can't remember what it's called, but you know, like when you use an eyeshadow and it like gets kind of everywhere. That's what's happening with this. It's not like a ton, like I've seen palettes do more than that, but okay. I'm nervous. Okay. I just don't want to mess up. Especially because I have hooded eyes, which makes everything more difficult. Okay, I'm just going in very lightly. I like this color because even if you didn't want to do something like super colorful or anything like that, you can still use, you know, a color like this if you wanted to do something more natural. This mirror is so small. Hang on, I feel like the light is washing me out. Let me try to... Okay, I changed the lighting a little bit. Hopefully that helped. I can't really tell, to be honest. That's what editing is for. To help make up your mistakes, or make up for your mistakes. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna use Phantasma to try and blend this edge out. It's probably not gonna help, but okay, that's good enough. Okay, I played with the light a little more just so I can... Freaking lighting, I hate it. Next I'm gonna go in with Velvet Thorns, which is just a gorgeous color, and I'm gonna use the Real Techniques 307 brush for this one. I really hope the camera picks this color up, like, and does this color justice, because it's so beautiful. It's like wine, but better. Okay. Also, there's more fallout in the pan than the other one for this color, which makes sense because that usually happens with reds. Real quick, I just want to let you guys know I'm going to use a different brush. This is by Sonia Kashuk. Doesn't say which brush it is, but it's the pointed one. I'm going to use Velvet Thorns on my bottom lid. Now I'm going to go back in with Burial Ground and just blend the edges of the colors together. So for highlight, I'm not going to use Candlelight because, well, I don't really like gold, and also I just don't want to use it. Okay, I'm going to use just Milani's Afterglow highlight with my Sephora Pro Shader. It's the number 18. Alright, so here is the finished look. I just added some, you know, nude colored eyeliner on my waterline and lashes. I really like it. The colors are pigmented. They obviously blend well. If you know how to blend, which according to the camera looks like I don't know how to, but I promise I do. So yeah, so far I really like this palette. Let me zoom out here. It is one of the most aesthetically pleasing palettes I have ever owned and used, and it's just gorgeous. The idea behind it is fabulous, and it's just, it is a work of art. I love it so much, and I'm definitely going to keep this forever. I'm definitely going to do more looks with this. Probably not on my channel specifically, but definitely on Instagram. I love it. I'm a fan. I think that's all I have for you guys. I will note everything that I used down below in case you missed it or in case I didn't mention it. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and that is all I have for you. You guys are amazing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.